God, oh God, my heart breaks. My heart breaks for this. Oh no, I can't actually question God. Oh my God, this is so heavy to take. It's so heavy to take. I wish God can turn this around. I wish this all can just be like a dream. I wish this can just be like we're sleeping and we're gonna wake up soon to see the reality that it didn't happen. I just wish all this is just a prank. Oh my people. Oh God, this is hard. You cannot wish this for your enemy. Davido, Shioma, oh God. I wonder what these guys are passing through right now. I wonder what they're passing through. For the past 2 weeks, if I'm not mistaken, their happiness, is a top notch. Their happiness up there. They'll be checking the social media, full of joy, full with excitement. But what happened? How did this light turn off? Who turned this light off? What happened? There are so many questions that need to be answered. There are so many questions that Nigerians are asking right now. There are so many questions. This is unfair. This is sad. This is heartbreaking. This is disheartening. This is unbearable. This is sad. Oh my God. I cannot believe this. I cannot believe this. Till yesterday, I was still following these guys. Their post is everywhere on social media, full with joy, happiness. This is sad. This is sad.